Hello everyone, it's time for a new car. This car in front of us, I don't know if you can recognize it immediately. This is a BMW, considered a flagship all-electric SUV named iX. There's no number after it, just iX. And this car in front of us is probably the last BMW 9 in our showroom, just recently arrived. However, it's already considered stock as soon as it arrived because its production date is April 2024, which is why we are only seeing it now.
So next, I'll briefly introduce this car to you. The exterior color is called Blue Ridge Mountain, which is also a very iconic color for the iX and one of the more popular colors.
The interior color is mocha. This car is a version with 4 spirits, so it is not imperial red. Therefore, the interior color is mocha.
Since it's an electric car, I believe many people might be concerned about its battery and range. This car's 4-spirit version has a range of 471 kilometers. The battery comes from Samsung's ternary lithium battery, so its hardware is excellent.
Although this range seems insufficient by today's standards, relatively low for an electric vehicle, the range of this car is quite realistic. It is rated for over 400 kilometers, and it can actually achieve that.
I hope those who know about this car or owners of this car can share their real driving experiences in the comments section.
Alright, this front face is actually quite different from conventional cars and many BMW cars. It's a vehicle with a strong futuristic feel. So this car is also a production model that's very, very close to its concept car. The front grille has a self-repair function, and there are some very fine electromagnets that can be heated. In rainy or snowy weather, it can melt it away so as not to affect its driving assistance. The radar for the driving assistance system is in this position, and here it's like a sticker, similar to a car wing, with a heat repair function.
This headlight also features a blue decorative piece inside.
The wheel size is 21 inches, and the entire series comes standard with 21 inches, while 22 inches require optional installation. Inside, there are also blue brake calipers.
Although this car is from April 2024, it is also considered a facelifted model. Therefore, its configuration, like the 360, already images are now 5G entry, as well as the head-up display, are included in this car, including the driver assistance system, which is also available. Then the seat adjustment on the car door and this dazzling crystal component,
including the genuine wood panel on the central control and the crystal components, and it also comes with the card key.
Then the Harman Kardon sound system is also included, and the panoramic sunroof can change colors. Let me show you.
This is to turn it off.
Oh, this is how you open it. It might not be very clear today because it's cloudy, but you can adjust the color of the glass for a transparent or frosted feel, including the car's greatest highlight, which many people might overlook. Look at the body's material. Can you tell at first glance that it's different from regular cars? This is black, textured carbon fiber composite material. The whole body, including this area, is like that. So, such a car is fully equipped with hardware facilities, including the rear seats. The floor at the back is completely flat, so you can't really say it's just a fuel to electric conversion, right? Any issues with that? The space is quite large. The entire car length reaches 5 meters, comparable to an X5 sized all-electric model. But the price of this car is very appealing now.
You can buy an original imported pure electric Model 9 from Dingolfing starting with 3.
Look at the rear of the car.
Take a look.
So, actually, Many good products from BMW are not well known, or when people consider buying electric cars, they don't prioritize BMW models. Therefore, such a good car will not be introduced domestically in the future because the revised NOx has already been released abroad, but it has not yet been brought to the domestic market.
The reason is actually quite simple, right? No need to say much more. So if you're interested in this car and want to buy a truly reliable, pure electric vehicle, you might consider this one. Bye-bye.